Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest Cam Outdoor, quick install step by step clearly. Start by gathering all the materials you need for installation. Ensure you have the Nest Cam Outdoor, mounting hardware, and a power source nearby. Choose the best location for your camera, ideally near an outlet and with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Use the provided mounting template to mark the drilling points on your wall. Drill holes at the marked points and insert the anchors into the wall if necessary. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall using screws from the hardware pack. Secure the camera onto the mounting bracket. Connect the power cable to the camera, making sure it's properly seated. Run the power cable to the nearest outlet, ensuring it's not a trip hazard. Plug the camera into the outlet to power it on. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Setup Device and then choose New Devices. Follow the app prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Select your desired location for the camera within the app settings. Adjust the camera angle remotely to ensure the best view. Test the live video feed to confirm everything is set up correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to the placement or angle of the camera. Save the settings and exit the app when you're satisfied with the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.